Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wealthsimple easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Wealthsimple app from your device's app store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android devices, head over to the Google Play Store. Search for Wealthsimple in the search bar. Once you find the app, tap the download button. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. After installation, open the Wealthsimple app. You will be welcomed by a brief introduction to the platform. Tap on Get Started to begin the sign-up process. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, tap on Create Account to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Wealthsimple. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the app and log in with your email and password. Now, it's time to complete your profile. Provide your full name, date of birth, and address information. You'll also need to answer a few questions about your financial situation. This helps Wealthsimple tailor its services to your needs. After completing the questionnaire, review and confirm your details. Next, you'll need to link a bank account. Select your bank from the list provided. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, fund your investment account. Decide how much money you want to transfer initially. Confirm the transfer details and tap Submit. Now, you're ready to start investing. Explore the app's features to see your portfolio, investments, and relevant resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.